Hey guys, welcome back to 4DDig. A bootable macOS installer is basically a USB drive that lets you start your Mac directly from it. With this, you can reinstall macOS, upgrade to a specific version, or even fix problems when your system crashes. It's also super useful if you manage multiple Macs and want a faster way to install macOS on all of them. No need to download the system each time. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily create a macOS bootable installer step by step using 4DDig. It is super simple, and let's get started. First, launch the 4DDig MacData Recovery tool. On the left sidebar, choose macOS Installer. Then click Start Creation to begin. Next, you'll see a list of available macOS versions like Sequoia, Sonoma, Ventura, Monterey, Big Sur, and more. If you haven't downloaded it, you can click the download icon here. You will jump to this interface. Click Get and wait patiently. If you've already downloaded a macOS installer file, you can also click the plus icon and import it directly, instead of downloading it again. Once you pick the version you want to install, click Selection Complete. Now, plug in a USB flash drive or external hard drive with at least 19 GB of free space. Select the drive from the list, and then click Create Now. This process will erase everything on that drive, so make sure you've backed up any important files first. Once you confirm, the software will automatically format the USB and start creating the bootable macOS installer. During this time, don't remove the drive or use it for other tasks, just let 4DDig do its job. When the process is complete, you'll have a fully working macOS boot disk. You can now follow the on-screen instructions to use it, whether that's reinstalling macOS on a faulty computer, upgrading to a specific version, or troubleshooting system issues. And that's it. Creating a macOS bootable installer with 4DDig is simple, fast, and super useful, whether you're fixing your Mac, upgrading, or setting up multiple devices. Give it a try and keep your Mac safe and ready to go.